High above the clouds, the final frontier is turning into a battlefield. Orbital warfare, conflict in space, is no longer the stuff of science fiction. Nations are developing space-based weapons and defenses at a rapid pace, preparing for a new kind of war in which satellites and spacecraft become strategic targets. Several countries have tested anti-satellite missiles, blowing satellites to pieces and littering orbit with dangerous debris. These tests are a stark warning. In a future conflict, an opponent could knock out vital GPS or communication satellites, blinding militaries and crippling economies below. Outer space is now being declared a warfighting domain by the major powers, and they are in a high-stakes race to dominate it. From laser dazzlers that can blind enemy satellites to experimental orbital drones that might grapple or disable spacecraft, the weaponization of space is accelerating. To counter these threats, new defenses are emerging. The United States has even established a dedicated space force and is exploring the deployment of space-based interceptors to shoot down hostile missiles above the atmosphere. Allied nations are launching fleets of smaller, resilient satellites so that no single attack can take out their capabilities. Internationally, there's growing concern that without rules, this arms race in orbit could spiral out of control. The rise of space-based weaponry means the next major conflict might not be fought on land or at sea at all, but in the silent expanse of outer space.